sakhe.
So mhlawumbe noba i-membership nabantu abangaphi ba?
Membership disturb. One of the things that I'm telling you, since we lost people with COVID-19, before COVID-19 they were registered 1,200 and something members. That is now registered people on book. I'm not sure if those people physically, those people were coming, but they were registered people that are registered as members of our church. And again, those people who would not come all at the same day in the program. They wouldn't come all in the same day because some are nurses, some are police people. You know, when you're a police, we are banging and shifts, when you shift to corner, when you work. That make your the numbers exactly as back on a Sunday. But the registered number was 1,200.
So when I say one or like services in the
we're pushing two services. We're pushing the Sunday and Wednesday service. And we do have programs that we are doing Kings and Queens, the programs are chat. And we do have the programs as a success program money, which is one of the controversial things that happened about the ministry. You know, by probably the only pastor that teaches on money and other pastors, and I'm not apologetic about that. Remember, I told you my upbringing. I know how poverty is, and I know how painful poverty is. So, because the poverty we experiencing, I think I gained a message from that poverty that okay, now I'm gonna deal with it. Even now, so I started to teach. In fact, was at GCF more on finances, financial debate, financial prosperity, how God wants to prosper people financially. And I know that I was Kabanandi Ishmaela, because there's a lot, you know, because by it's how they say tightly showing now and false prophets and money and all that. And yet the pastors that were called like that were not blunt, were not open like I am the man. And here I am coming and so open and so vocal that imali yes, imali sayamkela, imali siyayifuna, imali lungile, imali, you know, I came talking such, and I think it was a new message bantwini uva umfundisi obiyongazi ozithi mababenemali abantu awumelanga uhlupheka, you know, abantwana bakho bangalali belambile. Feed your kids, prosper financially, take them to schools of Basakos, you know, such messages were staying down. To think about it now, it was not an easy journey because but I came in strong and I'm still strong by the way, and again on the issue of who must have money. Uthixo unazo indlela zomnika umuntu imali if umuntu angafuna uthixo uthixo uzamnika indlela zokumelelisa, because 98% if not 99% of people's problems under the sun are financial related. Once you fix the money issue, you would have fixed the 98-99% of problems about. And it's amazing how the church world indaba yemali topic yemali bayibekele phaa, and yet it became a real to take a more than prayer, more than fasting, more than intervention, more than hell. Most of the parables are in where 36, 22 of them money related. Agana any topic that take a why is financial related? Because Jesus understood that earth physical plane can only be operational by economy. If I give money, this physical plane, but the church, for some season, it started doing money. I had to Satan, I beg up her. I have no tech, I have no address. The only time the church will talk about money, we talk about Miguel. And Gana Casalom Miguel, who taught on the school, I would take man. Go at it daily when they part the department, the section. You know, one pastor said to me, I am not good when I said Tato Miguel, I said teaching the man, the good way swing. And I asked him, oh, ukuthi ezweni
Because ezweni imali.
intoni yona imali uzawuthi intoni yona imali xa ukuthi ezweni uthi imali yona umnikelo ukunikela nokunikelisa nokutitha nokusupport abantu offerings uzakubiza intoni khona. And then he was quiet for some time but yayibona siyibhuda opposite Mtesa wathi yabona siyibhuda because obviously ndiyibhudile ngoba ndiyithathela ndicinga uba ayomali. Sometimes uveze cha uthi hayi ke wasanane asikeleze msinikele soqhubeka ngokhonza kwethu. No, ukunikela kukhonza. Xa unikela uyakhonza. Actually xa unikela uyanqula deeper than ukucula. Because izazi zavula idasi zakhe zakunqula. Zavula idasi zazo zamnika igolide inhlaka lihlobe nemore. So that was the giving, was their worship. In fact, the very first time Cecil came to worship it was about umuntu ayonikela unyana wakhe. Abraham, he was going to offer his son. So that offering of his son was called worship. The new God of Fana Yongola, Sabuya Sazo. But when he went up with the son, Tinasasias, so Uyonola related Kapul, no offering. So I came as a pastor, a young pastor that is preaching hard on this money issue. And I'm not apologetic even today. I'm not even ashamed to say to people, if you don't take what I'm teaching, it's okay, find a place. You know.
And it's okay mandingayazi uzawuyenza njani na because ndingumntu kanye kanye umuntu akamelanga uzazi indlela zikaThixo andiyazi uzawusebenzisa bani andiyazi uzamsebenzisa njani but ndiyayazi bana I'm coming out of poverty, I'm coming out of debt, I'm coming out. If you do it supernatural, if you counsel amatyala, I'm supernatural, I'll take that further. If you bring someone to give me money, I'll take that further. But one thing I know, you are taking me out. Somebody shout, I'm coming out of poverty. Say it loud, I'm coming out of poverty. Money is coming to me now. Money is running to me now. Yes. Inyaniso leyo, inyaniso leyo. Inyaniso leyo. Andiyazi uzawuyenza njani uThixo, andiyazi uzawuyenza ngabani, but if you can remain on that stand, if you can remain faithful kulo nyaniso mana uThixo wami uyayazi uzawuyenza njani na. I'm coming out of lack and scarcity. I'm coming out of the curse of poverty. I'm coming out of the lack of stagnation. I will not be here at this time.